Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gandhinagar location. It is from Gujarat. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bank of America. They are looking for assistant manager. Coming to the education required, like BTech or BCA or MCA candidates are preferable along with the certifications if any, and advanced SQL or Agile certified uh, professionals are preferable. Coming to the experience required, like 5 to 8 years of experienced candidates are preferable. Coming to the desired skills, the candidates should have skills in Tosca, Selenium, ISTQB like that. And coming to the work timings, they would be 11:30 am to 11:30 pm. Flexibility in supporting weekend releases will be necessary. This is about the job role. And coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in First Resource. They are looking for senior executive training. Coming to the qualifications and experience for the desired candidates, they would be like for the education, it would be graduate in any discipline. Coming to the experience required, like 2 to 4 years of work experience with some previous experience in a similar role is necessary. Coming to the responsibilities, like conduct skills gap analysis to identify areas of improvement, design training curriculum within time and budget constraints, produce physical and digital educational material like videos and case studies, monitor sales objectives and results, collect feedback from trainees and managers about training courses, report on impact of training programs, example sales achieved, and liaise with external trainers or industry professionals and organize seminars, maintain updated records of training materials, curricula and costs, and proven work experience as a sales trainer or a similar role is preferable. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Span Inspection Systems Private Limited. They are looking for sales marketing coordinator. Coming to the key responsibilities, those like the candidates should assist in the development and implementation of the company's brand strategy, ensure all marketing efforts serve to achieve short-term and long-term business goals, identifying and executing improvements for process, content and lead generation, support the maintenance and development of internal tools including a credentials database, tracking capability, global contact directory and internet sites. And the candidates should maintain a directory and inventory of sales support materials, ensuring all results are current and accurate and coordinating the creation of new material as added. These are the responsibilities for the desired candidates. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Kalapatru Power Transmission Limited. They are looking for finance executive. Coming to the experience required and qualifications for the candidates, those like 4 to 10 years of experience required and BCom and MBA finance or the qualifications. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, request letter and printing on stamp paper to arranging amendment, extension and cancellation of bank guarantees, deal closure and drawdown or liquidation of WCDL, arranging BG vetting and insurance with various banks, issuance with various banks, arrangement of BG confirmation, basic knowledge of export documents, necessary entries in SAP for transaction and Dr. or CS site, and monthly consolidated BRS and quarterly for auditors, follow-up and arrangement of balance confirmation from banks, monthly CC interest working and follow-up with banks if any excess charge, and GST reconciliation and invoice follow-ups. These are the roles and responsibilities for this job role. And coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Nexus Corporation Solution Private Limited. They are looking for sales associate. Coming to the qualifications required, like bachelor's degree is preferred. Coming to the experience, like 1 to 2 years of experience required, and it is the experience industry will be Aegis, Advancement, E-Tech, Motif, Vodafone, KPO or BPO. And coming to the job description, candidates have to provide back-end support to the sales team and must be good in English and have good knowledge of Excel, editing documents as and when needed for sales team, creating invoicing reports, stock reports, documents, etc. for sales team. This is the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in JR Automation Technology. They are looking for social media manager. Coming to the qualifications required for this job role, those like proficiency in many social media platforms, fluency in Microsoft Office, so like Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. Coming to the responsibilities for this job role, those like develop social media strategy, create original content, and provide data analysis and metric reporting for clients. These are the responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Tiger Advertising. They are looking for social media executive. Coming to the job profile, it is like the candidates should have 1 to 2 years of experience in social media management, in-depth knowledge of all social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., active coordination with client officials, good communication skills and command over English language, responding to any mentions and comments across the mentioned social media platforms and engaging with users, and preferred knowledge of hosting live events across the social media platforms, as well as good awareness of social media tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Sendable, TweetDeck, etc. This is about the job profile. Coming to the desired skills and experience required, like the candidates should have skills in these ones like social media executive, social media, knowledge of all social media platforms. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Astitva Welfare Foundation. They are looking for teaching part-time job or internship. Coming to the skills required, the candidates should have creative writing and the teaching English proficiency skills are required. And the candidates can learn these skills on intentional trainings and learn creative writing and learn business communication. These are the skills required. Coming to the desired candidate profile, those like the candidates are available for the part-time job or internship, and the candidates can start the part-time job or internship between 9th October and 13th November and are available for duration of 3 months, and the candidates are from Gandhinagar, Biramgam and neighboring cities are preferable, and the candidates should have relevant skills, and women wanting to start or restart their career, they can also apply. And coming to the perks, they will provide a certificate letter of recommendation, and there will be a flexible work hours 5 days a week. And coming to the additional information, it is like on successful conversation to a permanent employee, the candidate can expect a salary of 1 to 2 lakhs per annum, and there are 10 vacancies are available for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.